Hi, I'm Dr. Rick DuVall, and I'm thrilled that you're considering applying to be part of the Kagan School Trainer program. We at Kagan know that school trainers are a vital component in the successful implementation of Kagan cooperative learning for many, many schools, and so we want you to be very successful in this application process. We're making this video to help make sure that we give you a few recommendations to help you be successful. First, make sure that you have read all of the directions for the application process on the Kagan website. Make sure that you have met all the eligibility requirements and that your school has met those eligibility requirements. And then follow the directions very, very, very precisely, making sure you get all of your application materials sent in by the deadline of March 1st. Secondly, implement as many Kagan cooperative learning structures as you possibly can in your classroom, so that you have more experience with more structures and they become procedures for you and your students. Make sure that you understand and review the 7 keys for successful implementation. If at all possible, we hope that you're inviting a Kagan coach to come to your building to work with you and your teachers in the support. As that coach is at your building, I'm hoping that you're able to follow that coach for the day, shadow him or her, listen to the feedback they're providing to teachers. That will help you master more structures and to help you become better prepared for the actual training program. At Kagan, we hope that you are successful and that we're able to see you in July at the Walt Disney World Summer Academy. See you later.